So we have a 2022 Honda Civic Sport here, and as you can see, even brand new, you often get vehicles with 1 point some percent air in them right from the factory. They are not always perfect. Do you think they leave them on a vacuum pump for a half hour? Hell no. We have a YF vehicle, of course, because it's a 22 Honda. Just performed the recovery. Gonna hook up the nitrogen bottle now and purge the system, and even though this is hit as hard as it is, none of those are ruptured. There is no holes in any of those right there. And the worst one I've ever got, where a 2x4 literally went and split the tubes, and the tubes opened up as big as a 2x4, and a 2x4 passed through without leaking and went through the radiator and all the way and hit the engine on the other side without losing refrigerant. So pretty flexible metal. They could take a lot. But then you have other times where a little tiny tap and a little sharp screw perfectly hits one and punctures one of the things with just a little tap. That's it. Just a quick overview showing you that even brand new vehicles right from the factory come with a little bit of air in them. I could retest it with my other tester. It'll show the same thing. I could retest it with my old Yokogawa. It'll show the same thing. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.